Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video I am sharing my 4 weekly spreads for June. All my weekly layouts this month are one-page spreads, and for this first one I am writing June 1st to 7th at the top beside a fish and a sea turtle to go with my Under the Sea theme for the month. Down the right side of the page here, I'm drawing a starfish, a seashell, a jellyfish, a shark, and some coral. I am now drawing a diagonal line down the side of the page and a horizontal line across the top. I'm splitting the rest of the page into 6 horizontal sections, which are each 5 spaces high, and the last section I'm splitting into 2 for Saturday and Sunday. For the second weekly spread for this month, I am going to create a grid with 9 rectangles, 7 for the days of the week, 1 for a monthly calendar, and 1 for a space to write a to-do list for the week. First, I'm drawing my sea creatures around the edges, including some fish, a seahorse, and a jellyfish. Each section on the grid is 11 spaces high and 8 spaces wide, making the 9 rectangles. Here I'm writing out a mini monthly calendar, and then I will highlight the current week. For all my coloring today, I'm using my Crayola Super Tip markers along with my Tombow brush pens. These and everything else I'm using in today's video will be linked below in the description box. For the third weekly spread, I am again starting by drawing all the sea creatures and shells first. I am now splitting the page into 7 sections for each day of the week. Saturday and Sunday will be smaller sections, but the other 6 are 11 spaces tall and 11 spaces wide. This includes room for a 1-spaced line on top of each section to write the day of the week. For the last section, I'm drawing a horizontal line across the middle for the weekend. As you can tell, for this month, I don't really have a specific color scheme I'm going with. I'm just choosing any colors that are bright and bold and that I think look good together. Now for the last weekly spread of the month, I'm writing June 22nd to 28th at the top of the page in block letters. I'm now drawing a large seahorse right below the date, along with a couple of shells and some fish. For this week, I'm drawing 6 boxes on the page, which are 9 spaces high and 10 spaces wide, with a 3-space gap down the middle. And here is a look at the completed pages. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out my last video, which was a June plan with me, where I set up my bullet journal for the month. Thank you and see you in my next video.